Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Quest 3. First, let's cover a soft reset, which is often enough for minor issues. This process simply reboots your device, clearing temporary glitches without erasing any data. You can do a standard restart by holding the power button on your headset until the power options appear, then selecting Restart. If your headset is a factory reset is a more drastic step, useful for persistent software issues or when selling or gifting your headset. It returns your device to its original, out-of-the-box state, wiping all local data. Before proceeding, it's crucial to back up your data. Put on your headset, go to Quick Settings, then System, and toggle Cloud Backup to On to save your progress. To get started, you'll first need to create an account with your preferred cloud gaming service, such as GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming. Make sure your Chromebook is running an up-to-date web browser, like Google Chrome, for the best compatibility. Most importantly, a robust and stable internet connection is essential. We recommend a minimum speed of 25 megabits per second for a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience, minimizing any frustrating lag. After a factory reset, your Quest 3 will boot up as if it's brand new. You'll need to go through the initial setup wizard again, including connecting to Wi-Fi, logging into your Meta account, and setting up your Guardian boundaries. While all local data is erased, your purchased games and apps are tied to your Meta account, so you can easily re-download them from the store.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.